How to log in Amazon Prime on mobile. So if you're using a mobile phone and you want to start using Amazon Prime on your mobile phone, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to log in Amazon Prime on mobile, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on the Prime Video app, then open it. Once the Prime Video app opens, click on sign in already a customer, then come here, type either your phone number or your Amazon Prime email. Then click on the continue button, then type in your Amazon Prime password. Then once you type the password, you can click on show password to make the password visible and confirm whether the password is correct or not. Then go ahead and click on sign in. Once you hit the sign in, then you should see the Prime Video sent a verification code to your phone number. This is for security reason. Then type in the verification code. And then check, do not require OTP on this browser. Thereafter, go ahead and click on sign in. Now, once you hit the sign in, just hang on. Once your password is confirmed, you will be able to sign into the Amazon Prime or Prime Video on your phone. Then go ahead and click on the profile you want to watch from. And then there you go. Now, it's worth noting that signing into the Amazon Prime, you can easily use your Amazon account. So if you created an Amazon account and your Amazon Prime was created on the Amazon account, then you can easily log into your Amazon account. So that is basically how to log in Amazon Prime in mobile. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.